If you're a fiber tech in training, a trainer looking for better hands-on demos, or a working tech who wants to sharpen troubleshooting skills without taking a live network offline, this video is for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the fiber training box, part number FTB-1, Jonard's all-in-one practice environment for real-world fiber work. Here are some key things you need to know. Built-in loss events. It includes a macro bend damaged fiber and a 1 kilometer link with a midpoint fault, so you can practice real troubleshooting, not just theory. Perfect for OTDR practice. Set up, test, and diagnose faults in auto or manual mode, just like you would in the field. Hands-on splicing and cleaning. Use a cleaver, fusion splicer, and cleaning tools to practice splicing, inspecting, and connector prep. All-in-one training kit. It comes in a compact, durable carrying case with fiber spools for splicing exercises, loss testing, and skill development. What makes the FTB-1 so effective is that it's built to mimic real-world fiber challenges. Inside, you've got intentional loss events like a macro bend and a damaged section of cable, the same things techs run into every day. And the included 1 kilometer fiber link with a midpoint fault gives you an actual scenario to diagnose, measure, and confirm. Training with it feels exactly like running live fiber, but with zero risk. Cleave and splice fiber just like the real deal. Inspect and clean connectors and bulkheads using your inspection probe. Perform accurate loss testing with your power meter and light source. And of course, use a visual fault locator to trace and identify issues or operate an OTDR confidently, both in auto and manual. If you're training new techs, leveling up your own skills, or just want a safe, controlled way to practice fiber troubleshooting, the FTB-1 training box gives you everything you need in one compact case. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.